What's up, guys? Firework Maniacs here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Proud Eagle Firework Fountain Pack. It's all fountains because I live in a safe and sane state, so yeah. This is $29.99, retail $77.49, and there's some pretty decent sized ones. Like, look at this global lights. That's a good one. Then 1, 2, 3, go, and it's blazing. No, 34 pieces, 5 punks, 29 fountains. And here's some pictures of the fountains. Safe family fun, but yet it's still covered in warning labels. Okay, so let's just open it. Hold on. This knife is so dull. There. Oh, looks like this. Okay, here we go. So I'll start with the small crap. No! I don't need any more of these. 8 more. Flashing fountains. Okay. Got a rain dance. I've never heard of this one. It's pretty light, but I'm not gonna judge. Got a Freedom 76. Yeah, this one's pretty good. Not the best, but okay. Here's the Pyro Fan. I'm cool too. My individual channel. This is the first firework I ever did. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's alright. You're kidding me, right? You're kidding me. More flashing fountains. No, wait. There's more. Flashing fountain. Another 5-pack. So that's 18 flashing fountains. Old Sparky. Yeah. Looks like a pretty decent firework. Hay Fever. Never heard of this one. It's the same thing. Yeah, I've never heard of that one. Easy Glow Punks. Now, for a while, I had no idea what they were. These were, like, lighters. Like, you could light this thing and then light the firework with it if you didn't want to get too close to the fume. Not the fume, the fuse of the firework. This is the Silver Snow Fountain firework. Fuse. There's the fuse right there. This is pretty good. I like that one. This is the 1, 2, 3, go firework. I can't read that. Put the freaking warning label right across the text. Come on, TNT. Get your stuff together. Come on. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. It's a big fountain, but it's pretty good. Half pints. Let me tell you, this looks more like a pint and a half size. So, yeah. And the big 3 guys. Pyro Fire. These guys are things are, oh shoot. Here's the Pyro Fire. This one's really big. And then we have Global Lights. Performance. I've lit this off, so I want to see if this is actually legit. Focus. Colorful silver glitter and red sparks with flowers. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. Last but not least, Hot Shot. I've seen this. This firework alone sells for like $5. So, yeah. And then actually I also bought 2 more things. I bought a short stack firework for $1. Honestly, this one's the heaviest out of all of these. Wait, hold on. Yeah, this is the heaviest one out of all of these. I'm a little worried. And then the last thing I bought was, sorry, it's way over on mine, is the jalapeno popper. This one's $2. Pretty good. So, and then there's always these things at the bottom of Firework packs. See, that's their address. But I don't know that. So, this is the Global Lights Firework pack. Well, that one and that one aren't in it. So, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to the video, and peace out.